We'll guide you through how to make and create a TikTok photo slide. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. A TikTok photo slide is essentially where you go and upload photos to TikTok and viewers can go and slide through them. They're pretty cool. So to go and do this, you need to come to the bottom of TikTok and click on the plus button like so. The camera will go and open up, but what you need to do is go and select the photos or gallery in the bottom left. Then you can go and make sure you have select multiple selected in the bottom left, and you can go and select in the top right of each photo. It's easiest to go and select them in the order of how you want them to be in, which I'll go and do now. I've got 3. When you've got them selected, click on next in the bottom right, and you can then go and see how they'll go and look. As you can see, you can choose to sound at the top and go and add text stickers over to the right. And when you're ready, you can click next, and then you can add a title, add a description, go and post it as you usually would. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. As you can see, it's uploading and here it is. And so then viewers can go and slide through it just like so.